Okay, yet another one of the hit and run review things that we've done. We've done money, we've done dollars and cents. Uh, in this unit, that's all we're doing is reviewing. So we're going from $1.01 to $9.99. Right. And so we've done all dollars and cents. $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, right? Then we'll do cents, how to do each of the cents, and then dollars and cents using multiples of 10 or multiples of 5 from $10. I mean, it's really simple. Again, it's review. I'm including this just so that you have a placeholder to say, oh, okay, this is what we covered in that little breakaway session. Um, 3 videos. One, we're doing dollars and cents, very simple combinations. Second video is, I believe each one of those is working its way up by 10 cents. But I think they put them in a different order to sort of shake things up and keep you paying attention. And then the last one is miscellaneous. And then there's a series of just matching the prices, watching what they're talking about and getting the price from what they're talking about. So it really is just a matter of practicing dollars and cents. And since we've gone over all of this before, this is just a review. So watch the videos. And my goodness, I think this is the shortest video lecture I have done. But that is 16.06.